Get it done, Malik.
That shit fell in my shoe.
What it is? Shit in there for the rat.
Look like a bird that died.
I got the juice too. And I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tune. Like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all on what you choose. I got the juice too. And I'm out here.
Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I was down real bad, had to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a lil' ma, cause I owed him. Told me he would talk to my mama, man, I thought he was joking. I seen him parked outside of my crib, so I plotted to smoke him. I'm from a city, you gotta get it.
What's up, y'all? It's Malik. I'm back with another one. Let's get it done. Look, this video is cool. I got a lot of stuff going on in this video today, but I sped this first clip up. This first clip was originally 35 minutes. That just shows y'all how much time I put into this content and everything. It's 35 minutes. I sped it up. I got it to 2 minutes. It's gonna show you what I did to basically get this bike to run without leaking any oil or any fluid. The only spot it was leaking in was the oil filter. The axle punctured the oil filter, but I got that fixed. I got the bike running. My friend George is pulling up on me. You'll see that he's got a really nice custom Harley Street Glide. Do me a favor, hit that like button. I need y'all to subscribe and just be on the lookout for content. I got a lot more coming for you guys. Let's get it done.
Stress roll off the shoulder when the aim is to gain no pain. It's been the plan since a little man, been planning to do some damage. We ain't coming here for playing. Be sure to take heed to what I'm saying. If my brothers take off, then I'm the one that fired the cannon. We all fit into the picture, it's panoramic. Don't panic, I'm glad to let my brother take the advantage. It's all part of the plan. If I eat, then my brothers eat like the Wayans. I got the moves, I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose. I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose.
Something, I think the bolt on the wheel popped a hole in the oil filter. So that's what you're looking at now. That's the oil filter. I got the oil filter clamp on there, and I'm just turning it to get it off. Honestly, I think I'm tightening it though. So I'm gonna have to switch it around, flip it over and do it. It's a real tight space that I'm working with right here. So, but yeah, I got the wheel off, no frame damage. The wheel, the tire is in good shape. The wheel, not so much. It does run. I just didn't let it run because the oil was shooting out of it. And I wanted to make sure.
street. We singing, chasing dreams, chasing goals. Spaceships couldn't get you close. So when we come from, we extra to us.
Come out and blow the engine. So, yeah. Give me a second. Me and George just got it running. We just changed the oil on it, put a new oil filter. You know the oil filter had a hole. It had a hole in it. Running good. Hit that throttle for me real quick. Then we're gonna cut it off. Hey.
Yeah. You running, baby.
My boy George finna head out.
You got the rim on there too.
I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all never work with no dollars. I flipped it and folded till I can make that shit holler. These women be out here begging, I'm giving them nada, and not having no combos if it don't come with some commas. That boy one is a problem. Get it from my pops like it or not. I ain't switching up, keeping up my guard and throwing the jab. What you flinching for? Living in the go, you gotta know when they finna buck, and I always keep it cool. It's summertime, they keep Peter stuck. Fucking with me, you must always be grinding, put in that work like it's three of us. Us meaning me and shit. If I come, boy, that's deep enough. Ain't need no guidance on this route. Now my feet is up. Fuck you competing for? Yo, girl say she fiending and I don't need her. Looking for niggas to follow when I'm a leader. Got all this sauce on them, dripping it by the liter. Ain't nobody a match. See, all I deal with is the money and facts, and that's a fact. I got the moves, I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose. I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose. Niggas be funny acting till them weigh-ins happen. It's a low down dirty shame. We flip them white checks for profit. Was a major pain when they tell us and not them to stop it. Shit, we cop it cause they keep shopping. Don't knock it, we had no options. You fuck with more money than you swim with marlins. Turned the trap house to a haunted house. Got these zombies nodding on, applauding us for all our efforts and time we lost. Shout mazel toss with parodies. Can't knock us off, fuck is a loss. May weather the storm and the rain. Let stress roll off the shoulder when the aim is to gain. No pain, it's been the plan since a little man. Been planning to do some damage. We ain't coming here for playing. Be sure to take heed to what I'm saying. If my brothers take off, then I'm the one that fired the cannon. We all fit into the picture, it's panoramic. Don't panic, I'm glad to let my brother take the advantage. It's all part of the plan. If I eat, then my brothers eat like the Wayans. I got the moves, I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose. I got the juice too, and I'm out here with the team chasing this revenue. Go check the tunes, grind like we used to. Get it the slow or the fast way. It's all in what you choose. mindset of a hustler, you knowin' where we come from, bitch.
Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? No stress.